So students, this is the last topic of contemporary South Asia. This is SARC now. So first of all, the question arises. Basically, we can discuss SARC in this topic under the head of impact of economic globalization on peace and cooperation in South Asia. So the SARC, the creation of SARC was also the impact of economic globalization on South Asia. First of all, question arises: what were the reasons? What was the need to create SARC? As we discussed the reasons to create BRICS, we have already discussed that in the new centers of power. Okay. In the same manner, we would like to discuss first of all the reasons. What was the politics at that time that the need arose to create SARC. The full form of SARC is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. And what were the reasons? First of all, we'll see reasons one by one. Number one, always we take the timeline first. Here also we'll take the timeline first. We'll start from 1971. What happened in 1971? Let's see how much all of you keep remember. What happened in 1971? Yes. Yes, Prashant, Ayan, Akansha. In, in 1971, we could see that Bangladesh Liberation
Bangladesh Union, yes, ma'am.
War took place, and in this war, basically, US and UK were also involved, and India needed the nuclear powers. And in 1972, Bangladesh was created. So,
Created, yes, ma'am.
secondly, in 1974, what happened in 1974? Most important event in the history of ISRO. Yes, I
Yes,
hope all
ma'am.
of you will be getting this. What was this? In 1974, Pokhran first.
India conduct nuclear test.
Yes, very
Nuclear
good.
test, yes, ma'am.
This was known as the Pokhran first.
Pokhran test.
It was given some nickname. All of you remember what was the name of this first test? Some nickname was given to this Pokhran first test in 1974. Basically, it took place on 18th of May 1974, and it was given some nickname. Please let me know if after this 1975, we have already discussed in chapter 2, NSG was created. Nuclear supplier groups had been created. Many treaties took place. Many arms control treaties had taken place. So here India feared the isolation. Got it? So this was
Yes, ma'am.
1975. After this 1979, yes, do you remember 1979? Important event. We discussed this in the end of bipolarity. Yes. What happened?
Nothing.
Red Army was sent by Russia, USSR. You remember
To the
where?
Afghanistan.
Yes, very good. Afghanistan war took place in 1979, and
Ma'am,
USSR intervention could be seen over there. Okay, so
yes, ma'am.
Afghanistan. In short, I'm writing here only Afghanistan war. Okay, and here USSR intervened. Getting it? And what happened there? USA supported the militant groups of Afghanistan behind the curtain. They provided the support military on the grounds of military, economically. Okay, they supplied the material to the
Yes, ma'am.
militant groups of Afghanistan. That's why USSR was defeated after the long war for how many years?
And
10 years. Very good. Well done. So here, all these were the situation which were enough to influence the geopolitics at that time. So, like BRICS, a need was felt to create a South Asian geopolitical group. Okay, all these were the reasons. So, need arose for South Asian geo. Here we'll use the word geo political group especially. And due to this need in 1985, now we come on 1985, this was December 8, 1985, SARC was created. You can keep remember the dates please, because board can give even 8th December 1985 in your options. By the dates also they can give. Even for the Pokhran test, it may be given 18th May 1974. So please keep remember all these things. You have to prepare for the objective test also. So 1985, this was perhaps 8th of December 1985, SARC was created. SARC was created and 7 members joined it. 7 members. Initially, when it was created, at that time, 7 members had joined SARC. Is this clear to each and everyone? I hope
Yes,
the
ma'am.
things are clear. Anyone can give me the names of the members who were these 7 members? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone? 7
Ma'am,
members.
Bhutan. Ma'am, Bhutan.
Okay. Listen. Let me write down so that everyone can get. So who were these 7 members? Here I am writing. Sorry. Just wait, beta. Just give me few seconds. These were, yes, what did you speak?
Ma'am,
Afghanistan.
Bangladesh. Ma'am, Bangladesh, Afghanistan.
Afghanistan we'll take later on. Afghanistan was not a member in 1985. Keep remember, important one marker. Afghanistan
Okay.
in 1985, Afghanistan was not a member of SARC. At that time, only seven members joined SARC. Afghanistan was the 8th member, and Afghanistan
Mm,
joined SARC in 2007
95.
officially. Officially, Afghanistan joined SARC in 2007, though Afghanistan began to make the efforts in 2000 from since 2005 only, but officially it was declared the member of SARC in 2007. Okay, so keep remember these are important one markers. They can ask you in the one marker in 1985 who was not the member of SARC. So they can give you the 3 names of the members, and Afghanistan they can give you. Getting it? So you have to
yes, ma'am.
identify. So yes, give me the name of the 7 members now, please.
Ma'am, Nepal.
Just wait a bit. Nepal was there, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Nepal had been there. Yes,
Ma'am, Bhutan.
very good. Bhutan had been there.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, sure. Sri Lanka was there.
Ma'am, yes.
Sri Lankan president raised the voice in 2016 summit of SARC. For what? He raised the issues especially to counter. Yes, Phillips. To counter terrorism all over the world. Okay, so he raised the voice in the summit of 2016 in SARC. Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka. Yes, next. Bangladesh was the member.
Bangladesh. Yes, ma'am.
Bangladesh had been there, and Pakistan was
Maldives.
also the member.
Yes, ma'am.
Pakistan and
Maldives.
Maldives. All of you have forgotten your own country. Very good. That
Ma'am, India said, ma'am. India said by Prashant already.
India had already spoken. Okay, so I just
Yes, ma'am.
sorry, I didn't listen. Maldives, India. Chalo. Write India first. Okay, when you start to write down the members. Okay, so these were the 7 members. Now you have to do one activity. Please mark in the political map of the world all these 7 members with the different colors. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and
Okay, ma'am.
in 2007 you will mark Afghanistan from a very different color. Okay, and you will write join in 2007 on the map itself. You will write it down on the map, political map of the world itself, that it joined in 2007 and Afghanistan was the 8th member. Here I am just writing plus 8th member. 8th member. Who was the 8th member? Afghanistan.
Ma'am, Afghanistan.
Afghanistan had been the eighth member to SARC. Initially, if we see, देखो, India and Pakistan both had the differences with themselves. That's why India and Pakistan initially did not want to join SARC. But later on, they both of them got agreed and they became the member of SARC later on. Now, question arises: what was the objective to create SARC? See, in your class from this year onward, SARC has been added in your syllabus. BRICS had been added in your syllabus. So you must know mainly reasons for the creation of these regional groups. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
these are regional organizations. Secondly, you must know what may be the objectives to create them. Okay, and how
Ma'am.
far they are successful in that particular region, like we discussed about BRICS in the previous chapter. Ask in the group if someone else is going to join the class, otherwise I'll take a pic and send it finally. Please convey in the group once. Now we'll see what were the objectives to create. Yes, objectives. In the objectives, keep some points at your tips. Number one, every group which has been created, on the regional basis. First of all, most important one point, you can adjust anywhere, you can write it anywhere, where, wherever we are talking
Economics.
about objective. So in this you can write economic growth.
Yes,
First
ma'am.
objective was obviously economic cooperation or economic growth, we could say mutually, and social progress. Social progress has always been
Culture,
the aim. Social,
cultural development.
yes, beta. Social progress and cultural development. This is the point you can adjust anywhere for any kind of regional cooperation if we are talking. At least you can get 1 mark over here. Okay, the students who could not remember, please keep remember this point, that you can set this point anywhere for the regional cooperation, cultural development. Secondly, second point you can keep remember, you can adjust anywhere, to promote collective belongingness or to promote collective self reliance. Okay, to promote, here I write promote collective belongingness, or collective self reliance. You can write down, all these points for the regional cooperation anywhere. if the question has been put up. So keep remember all these 4-5 points at your tips. Okay. Third, you can write always mutual trust, to develop mutual trust in the region. Mutual trust and understanding, we could say, and understanding among themselves, among the member countries. Next, you can write mutual assistance. Mutual assistance whenever needed. Mutual assistance. Next, you can write strengthen cooperation. Strengthen cooperation. Okay. And on the matters of common interest, to cooperate among themselves at the international forums. Got it? Common interest, to protect the common interest at international forum. International forum. Got it? So all these were the reasons, sorry, all these are the objectives to create SARC, in fact, because geopolitics, just due to the geopolitics, okay, because the geopolitics of the region influenced all these countries, and all of them came together at one platform. Initially, though we could see India and Pakistan are also the member of SARC, though they had some mutual differences, they had some clashes on the different issues, but still both of them also came at one platform together. Is that clear? Now question arises, can we say, is SARC helpful for South Asia? I'm going to clear all these. Now we'll see, is SARC helpful for South Asia or not? Is SARC helpful for South Asia or not? Yes, anyone please? Anyone can speak on this?
Um,
Listen, as we have already given you the hint right now. Right now we had given you the hint. Listen, SARC, if we go through the influence of SARC in the geopolitics, or especially in the South Asian region, so we could say that SARC, SARC has not been of much success. Getting the point? What were
yes,
the
ma'am.
reasons? Political differences among the member states. Now you could see some political differences between, now
India
Nepal,
and Pakistan.
we have some differences with that of Nepal also now. We we have some issues with that of Nepal now. Okay, we had the issues with that of Pakistan also. Not only we, they also have some issues with us. Okay, so mutual differences, mutual clashes had always been there among the member countries of SARC. So the successfulness of SARC is always questionable. Okay, we can't say that SARC has always been successful in in resolving the issues among the member countries. So first of all, you will mention here, I'm just giving you the points, political differences among the member countries of SARC. You will explain that. And secondly, yes, yes, speak up. Anything
Mm,
else? Second, what can we write second here?
ma'am,
conflicts.
cultural differences and
Yes, cultural differences has also been there. Cultural differences. Very good. You can explain. Yes. Next, any other point can you give?
ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
nothing.
Not else.
No.
What's happening? If we speak of the different countries, we could say that Pakistan and China have come closer to each other. The This is the issue which always creates the problems for India. Now again
Yes,
we
ma'am.
could see in Nepal also. In Nepal, at the moment we could see the government of the Maoist, Mr. KP Sharma Oli. Okay, he always adopts the policies in pro Chinese policies. He always opt getting this. So all these are the reasons by which we can put a question mark on the success of SARC. All of you will make the points for this yourself, and you will share it in the group, or you can submit it on Google Classroom. Getting it? How can you say that SARC is helpful or not? You have to write down the reasons in support of your answer. Now here you could see, though we cannot say that SARC has always been a failure. You have to write down both positive and negative. Okay, we cannot declare SARC as a failure in the South Asian region. Reason is this: if we see, leaders of India and Pakistan have met at summits to understand each other better and to find the solutions to the major problems between the two neighboring countries. Got it? The demand of development and globalization have brought India and China also closer. At the moment, the situations have been quite different. That's the different thing. But maximum trade, you could see, maximum trade we had with that of China. Getting it? So we cannot say that SARC has always been a failure in influencing this this regional cooperation. Okay, in some matters, SARC had always been successful. Getting my point, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now next we come on SAFTA, South Asian Free Trade Agreement. SAFTA was also the result of the impact of economic globalization on peace and cooperation in South Asia. SAFTA is South Asian. Next we'll discuss SAFTA. What is SAFTA? South
Ma'am,
Asian South Asian Free
association.
Trade Agreement. This was an
Agreement.
agreement. This was not an association. South Asian Free Trade Agreement. What was this? This is also related with that of SARC. That's why we have written it here only. You must know what is this only. SAFTA is SARC members signed this trade agreement in 2002. It was created in, here in short I am writing, created in 2002, and SARC members signed this trade agreement, which promised the formation of a free trade zone for the whole of South Asia. We have already discussed what do we mean by free trade zones in the previous chapters. Okay, its final draft was signed in 2004 initially, and it got the implementation on January 1, 2006. SAFTA aims at lowering trade tariffs by 20%. Basically, SAFTA has created the free trade zones for the countries who are in South Asian region. All of you could see the PDF now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we move towards the last topics. We have to discuss some cartoons over there. And this is... all of you have received the PDF on Google Classroom?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Okay. Have you got the things? Maldives we had discussed. All these we had discussed already. Yes, this is the cartoon now. Okay. We will discuss this. This is on page number. Let me tell you. I'll just tell you the page number of this cartoon, beta. This is the cartoon. This is the on SARC summit. I just tell you the page number, please. Give me this.
77.
Yes, which page number, beta? Very good.
77.
Yes, page number 77 of NCRT. Okay, so here you could see that this is the this is the SARC summit. Now questions can be put up like this. Number one, what is the cartoon proves that India and Pakistan are important SARC members? Yes, how can we say? Because how can you say what in the cartoon proves that India and Pakistan are important? Please observe the cartoon and let me know.
Ma'am, because their chairs are near them.
Near them? What do you no no
Near,
no not
near them,
near them. Their chairs are in the central position. This one.
yes,
You
ma'am.
could
Yes,
see
ma'am. Central position.
the central
Near
seating position of India and Pakistan at the SARC
Pakistan.
summit proves that India and Pakistan are important SARC members. Getting it? Now you could see that the other members are moving away. Could you see that the
Yes, ma'am.
other members of SARC are moving away? Okay, so what may be the reasons? As right now, we have given you one assignment that you have to write down: is a SARC successful or not? How much influential SARC, or is SARC helpful for South Asia or not? So you have to write down all these points over there also. Important cartoon. Okay. Now, why are the members moving away? Reason: any conflict between India and Pakistan leads to ineffectiveness of SARC. Meetings are cancelled if there is any tension between India and Pakistan. Now, suppose all of the 7 members have been collected to discuss some common issues, to discuss the issues of common interest, but there 2 members start fighting on any of the issues. The conflicts are arisen. What happens then? Rest of the people, rest of the peoples begin to move far away. Got it? So, like this,
Yes, ma'am.
getting it? Now, next, give reason of difference in the opinion of India and Pakistan leading to ineffectiveness of SARC. What may be the issues between these two which make SARC ineffective? Because India had always brought the issues to counter terrorism and Kashmir issues. Getting my point? So, whenever they started to talk on this, so Kashmir issue and cross border terrorism. Here you could see Kashmir issue and cross border terrorism has led to difference in the opinion of India and Pakistan, leading to ineffectiveness of SARC. I hope the things are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we come on the next topic. This is sorry. Next cartoon is here. See the cartoons given below and answer the questions that follow. Interpret the role of 2 key players who are also interested in the region. Is there any commonality between their perspectives? Yes. All of you just tell me. This is the cartoon on page number 78. Could you see? So it's asking
Yes, ma'am.
interpret the role of two key players. Listen, SARC had been ineffective in influencing the common interest of the region. So what happened? The others wanted to take the advantage of this always. Okay, who were these? Could you? Yes, who were these two players? China and
US.
USA. Both of them
Okay,
wanted
ma'am.
to influence the geopolitics of SARC, geopolitics of South Asian region. Okay, Sino-Indian relations have improved significantly during the last 10 years. As shown in the cartoon, first two leaders from India and China are exchanging agreements regarding trade, commerce, and economy. Okay, so what happened? Because SARC had been ineffective. So this is the cartoon number one. You could see here, we have written number one here. And this number one cartoon shows China got an opportunity to come closer to India to develop the trade with India. Okay, so he took the advantage, and obviously he was successful. India and China, they exchanged the agreements regarding trade, commerce, and economy. It is being resented by Pakistan, who wants China to stick to core issues only, border issues with India. And Pakistan always wanted China to stick to the border issue only with India. Okay, Pakistan did not want China to go closer with that of India. Now we come on the second cartoon. This is the second cartoon. This is also on the page number 78. Both of them are given together. So what does the second cartoon shows? Second cartoon shows the role of the USA in South Asian region. Here we have seen the role of China here. Now we could see the role of USA in South Asian region. The US has good relations with both India and Pakistan, therefore works as a moderator in Indo-Pakistan relations. In the cartoon, the US has been shown as a referee in tennis match. You could see here. This is, इसको थोड़ा सा zoom करूं. Okay. Could you see, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
I've just zoomed it. It's not clear, है ना? थोड़ा सा. This is. Okay, so this is the USA. It's playing the role of referee in the tennis match between India and Pakistan. See the
Pakistan.
cartoonist imagination. Both China and USA want to have economic ties, trade and commerce in the region in this age of liberalization and globalization. Now question arises, why both of them are playing like this with that of the countries of SARC? Okay, reason is the same. Even China is playing in Nepal also. Same reason is there because China wants to develop the trade and commerce for one's own country due to liberalization and globalization. Now, next topic become how external powers influencing bilateral relations in South Asia. Here we have already discussed all these in the through the cartoon. Once I would like to read it out. China and the USA remain key players in South Asian politics. Sino-Indian relations have improved significantly in the last 10 years, but China's strategic partnership with Pakistan remains a major irritant for India. The demands of development and globalization have brought the two Asian giants closer, and their economic ties have multiplied rapidly since 1991. Reason in 1991, we had also adopted the policy of LPG. What is LPG? India also adopted the policy of LPG, economic reforms brought by our former PM, Mr. Manmohan Singh.
Mr.
What was LPG? Yes,
Ma'am,
speak up.
policy LPG.
Yes,
It was the liberalization, privatization, and globalization in three both.
well done. This was liberalization, privatization, and globalization. It's going on in our
Globalization.
economics also at the moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next points we can give: American involvement in South Asia has rapidly increased after the Cold War, no doubt. The US has had good relations with both India and Pakistan since the end of the Cold War and increasingly works as a moderator. We have discussed all these in the cartoon also. In Indo Pakistan relations, economic reforms and liberal economic policies in both countries have greatly increased the depth of American participation in the region. The large South Asian diasporas in the US and the huge size of population and markets of the region also give America an added stake in the future of regional security and peace. That's all. Your this very lengthy chapter has come to an end now. I hope all of you understood well.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem? Now,
No, ma'am.
after this, we'll start the chapter third of book two. We have already completed four chapters in the book one in the world politics. Now we'll start chapter three in book two. Okay. And one thing we would like to announce: your test will take place online test on Saturday, and chapter will be the end of bipolarity from the book one. We'll post even in the group. Okay. Till then. Bye bye. By the next class. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. God bless you.